Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial from Bustanji Developers. In today's video, we'll continue learning about machine learning, data science, and in today's video specifically, we will learn what packages, what Python libraries we need so we can start learning about machine learning and data science. And there are quite a few libraries that we need that are essential to learn, to understand. And so without further ado, let's go ahead, learn what they are and how to install them. The first one is of course numpy. No machine learning or data scientist can do anything without numpy. So to install numpy, we say pip install numpy and wait for it to download and install. You can see that requirement already satisfied because I already have it, but for you it should be downloading fine. The other one is pandas, so pip install pandas, and of course I have it already, so that's why I'm getting requirement already satisfied. The other one is scipy, so pip install scipy. Wait for it and it should start downloading for you. The other one is matplotlib, so pip install matplotlib. Wait for it and it should install too. The final one, we need pip install scikit-learn, so scikit_learn, not learn, learn. And here we go. Now numpy, we need it for numerical processing, and numpy is basically numerical Python, and we need it for processing numbers, large numbers, doing some linear algebra, linear programming, matrices, and so on. Pandas, which stands for panel data, we need it to primarily work with CSV files, pre-processing data. Maybe you have a large CSV file containing hundreds and thousands of data points, so we need these. We need Panda to extract them from a CSV file and work with it. The scipy, which stands for scientific Python, we need it for the algorithm. It contains like many algorithms that already made or programmed for you, so you can use them readily available for you. Matplotlib for visualization, scikit-learn for doing some smart things, some machine learning algorithms, and so on. Now these are the basics that we are going to initially cover. After that, we will build upon our knowledge with these libraries, with the concepts we are going to learn, and start learning about TensorFlow, deep learning, machine learning, image processing, image classification, object detection, natural language processing, and so on. So just for now, install these and we will start learning about them in the next videos. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.